Hey everyone, One World X built on top of 5E's framework that is evoke, envision, execute, expand, and explore. Today's session, we're going to learn Xcard part 1. Today's fast changing world, there is so much information out there with so many apps promising you to help you achieve your goals. Now, oftentimes you feel overwhelming and that slow you down. That's where Xcard comes in. Xcard is your smart goal management tool, which is powered by Isha AI, delivering essential insight right to your fingertips that helps you to make informed decisions. And also, it generates the images and automate the task so that you achieve faster without compromising the quality of works. And Xcard has a four section: plan, learn, discuss, crowdsource, celebrate. Let me explain you how easy it is. You click the execute menu, and then here I have created demos, Xcards for the demo purpose. If I can just scroll down and just show you the Xcards that I have created. So one important things that I have want to mention that what you are doing, your project and goals, you recommend to be aligned with your true self, right? True self board and envision board. Otherwise, you might regret maybe 5 years from now or 3 years from now that the what you have done is not aligned with your vision board, right? However, you are feel free to create whatever you love to achieve in your life. There are two options available. For example, create X card here and then create a template, right? If you are the new user, I would recommend you to start from the template section. So if you see that there are many templates available, you can scroll down and then something that is something that you wanted to achieve. Okay. See, this is something that I wanted to show you, right? If you click clone template, then it creates the Xcard for you. If you go back here, you can see the Xcard here, right? So Isha AI takes minutes to bring the insights. So I will explain later, but meanwhile, I'll take the one I created before. You see here, the starting the restaurant business. You see this, the image generated by Isha AI, and then in the plan section, what you can do, the task, you can create your task, and also Isha AI recommends the task you can copy from here that will add work here. But I wanted to start from the learn section, right? Because this is very important before you start any goals, right? So you want to make sure that you know the strategy that possibly you can use it, and also that what is the challenge. Otherwise, without knowing the challenges, that you might stuck, right? So better go through the challenges, like saying that you need to minimize the manage the inventory for the restaurant business perspective. This kind of challenges will be respect to your goals, but this is an example. So you be aware of it. What is the challenges? How can I address that challenges? You can go through the solution part, and also it provides some reference websites and books, and then videos, links, and then there are some website that where you can buy the stuff. So imagine that these information is comes into you in a matter of time, right? So that's the power of Xcom. Okay, so for example, these are the tasks that if you want a task that you wanted to create, you can create here. Or some of the tasks that you feel is relevant, then you can that you just simply click the copy, then it will comes to you here, right? So you can start work on it. So you either you are in a process, you are done, and you can click done, right? Then you can also see the how you are progressing. So in while you are doing, definitely you will have questions, and then you can post your questions here, just like I did it. I'm looking for the partner who can invest, and someone responded that I'm interested. The crowd, the another part is interesting part. Crowdsource is something that you can ask for hiring a contractors, or if you wanted to raise the funding, or you are looking for loan, you can post your questions like I did it, right? So again, I just wanted to make sure that we are not, as a One World X, we are not facilitating any financial transaction, but this is something that somebody in your network can help you pointing to the right point of contact or persons. That's the whole purpose of this. And then once you are in the process, you are celebrating with your friends, you can post the images here, so all keep you motivated, right? So this is just a one example of the goal that I explained over here. There are many things, right? Just like I'm doing it for the making significant environment things, you can see that activities I'm doing in Houston. So this is something, same thing, I'm requesting someone can join, and then some of the network in One World, they responded. So these are the goals that help you to manage, and also that keep motivating yourself, and then achieve everything, right? So if you've done everything, you can say that achieved, right? Okay, so now we talked about the creating part of that. See, imagine, see, this is one. See here is created that Isha AI, the image, and also she generate all the insight. We just created a 1 minute ago, right? And also you will get the notification. You see here, it says that Isha AI generated the insight for the developing mobile app, and also it generated the image for you. Then also it's automated the other tasks. So that's where your achievement is faster with the Xcard. So let me explain to you about the other options that are managing the card. For example, if you're done with it, you can delete it, or you can also make this as a high priority, low priorities, and also you can change the image and then edit the text. And also, if you're wanted to share with your friends and in the network, so you can make your card into public. And another important point is that whatever cards you are creating, right, it's a private. For example, this is the one we created 2 minutes, 1 minute ago, right? So if you see here, it's a private. So it's nobody can see you. It's something that you shared as a public, then people can see from the explore session. So it's up to you that something that you wanted to share with the network, then you can change this to the private to the public. Okay. I think I covered most of the part in the Xcard session. In part two, I will be explaining about the team, right? You wanted to collaborate with your team, then I will explain in that part two. That's all for this part one section. Thank you. Bye.